I'm Chef Jasper, and today we're beating this summer heat with my InstaPot summer boil. That's right, summer shrimp boil. It's all about flavor, none of the fuss, and it's lightning fast thanks to the Instant Pot. Let's get cooking right now. First, in your InstaPot, pour in 1 bottle of Boulevard Beer. That's my secret for incredible flavor. And just a half a cup of water to help it reach pressure. Then 2 tablespoons of Old Bay seasoning and my personal touch, some red pepper flakes for a little kick. Squeeze in the juice from a half a lemon and a half an orange, then toss in the squeeze halves and smash some garlic cloves. Leave the peeling on the garlic cloves, don't worry about that. Now layer your ingredients. Add the halved baby red potatoes or just use the real small ones, they're great. Then quarter an onion. Leave the peeling on again so it kind of holds together. We're only looking for flavor with this. And finally, cut the corn into thirds and half, whatever you want to do. Seal the lid, set the valve to sealing, and pressure cook on high for just 5 minutes. When it's done, do a quick release. Carefully open that lid. Now, layer your large shrimp on top. Close the lid again and just let it sit for 3 to 4 minutes. Using that residual heat, they'll cook just perfectly. Or you can give it a quick stir on saute mode until they're pink. Oh yeah. Use a slotted spoon to transfer everything to a big platter. For a delicious finish, you can toss it with melted butter, a little more Old Bay, and squeeze the remaining lemon on top. Garnish with some fresh parsley. And there you have it, my Instant Pot Summer Shrimp Boil. Easy, delicious, and perfect for any summer day. Serve it up with garlic toast and extra lemon wedges. You're gonna love this recipe, Instant Pot Summer Shrimp Boil. Jasper's Kitchen is brought to you by Hen House Markets and Roth Living.